Hi friends, welcome to another photo walk video. With this whole COVID-19 thing still going on, there are safe and unsafe ways to go outside. Going downtown right now doesn't feel right to me, but I figured I could roam the neighborhoods in the area. And so I went out on a couple of photo walks, and it's starting to develop into something that I want to pursue more even after this thing dies down. I found some interesting results. Now, this is a pretty short photo walk video. I didn't get too much to work with this time. I'm still at the beginning of the process of figuring out how to shoot neighborhoods. But I got some results, and I want to share those with you guys today. So, enjoy. First neighborhood of the day. I normally have my 50mm f1.8 on a Sony a6400. Today I have a few lenses with me. Right now I have the 24-70 f2.8 on here so that I can zoom in a bit tighter. One thing I'm trying to achieve today is to get a bike crossing one of these roads with that mountain in the background. This is a good road for that to happen. That road over there I believe is also a good one. It's also about 5 p.m. so I should be doing some fun things real soon. Right. Keep checking behind me. All right. Okay, the elements did not quite align on those. And it looks like I missed focus a little bit as well. How fun. This is engineering great. Lots of shade. Might be trouble for my lighting. Oh, that's kind of fun. This is a fabulous place for a shot. I'll show you guys what it looks like. If somebody wanted to cross that street, that would be fantastic. Unfortunately, I might be here for hours waiting for the shot. Got a couple of cyclists coming from my right. Definitely in the middle of a 6-lane road right now. Ah, balls. Clashing. Can't make it work. I can't just stand in the middle of the road, sadly. I think I need to go back to a quieter road if I want to get this mountain shot.
Please use the access line for the borders. Please stand behind the yellow line until the train comes to a complete stop and hold your child's hand when boarding and exiting the train.
That was a lot of people on bicycles. This is how the street works, people. You will have 0 cyclists for 45 minutes, and then all of a sudden you will have 17. The one with the little guy worked out, I think. This is the original cropping or lack thereof. You can see there's other people kind of poking in on the edges. That guy didn't want to be in my shot, so instead of crossing the street right there, he went all the way around behind me. It's an aesthetically pleasing house. if a train came, I would get hit by the stick. Oh, he's trying. Yeah. Unfortunately, I didn't get anything good out of that, but it was a fun moment. I wonder what the etc. is. Not quite sure what to make of that. There's some very interesting houses, I must say. Look at this. Wow. Hi. Yeah, you have a very beautiful front yard. Think so? Yeah, I think so. I like it. Have a good one. Those guys have a well too. Interesting. Okay, this has been pleasant and therapeutic, but I'm moving along. Okay, it is the next day. I'm in another neighborhood. It's about 4:45 p.m. There's some skateboarders, some people coming down a hill here, and I'm actually going to ask them if they'll let me take some photos of them so that I can make sure I get a good shot. There's like a beautiful mountain right behind them, so I'm going to see if they'll let me kind of get in their space a little bit. Hey man, I got a question.
All right.
So I'm a photographer. I'm a street photographer. And I'm trying to take photos of people, like what people are up to during this whole coronavirus thing. And I noticed you guys coming down the hill, and I noticed that mountain behind you guys. Yeah. And I was just wondering if I could get a couple of shots of you guys coming down.
Yeah, I'm cool.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
I'm a street photographer. I'm taking photos. Like I want to document this whole coronavirus thing and what people are up to. And I noticed you guys coming down the hill. I noticed the mountain, and I thought it looked rad. And I was just wondering if I could get some photos of you guys.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you can pretend like I'm not here. Just do your thing. Thank you. I'm James, by the way. Good to meet you.
I made it.
All right, great. Sweet. Thank you, guys. All right. Okay. Yeah, this will do. All right, so I'm gonna. Not a whole lot of traffic through here, which is good. One question is when do I want to capture him, and where do I put my focus? One of the good things about taking photos of people who know that you're taking their photo is you can kind of work together to make the shot work. When you're taking photos of people who don't know you're taking their photo, there's no collaboration involved. All right, let's see here. Where do I want to catch him at? Yeah, there we go, there we go. All right, heck yeah. How long have you been riding?
Been like, I was in high school, like beginning of high school.
Okay.
But I stopped for quite a while. A lot of it my body remembers, but then a lot of it's like muscle stuff I gotta get back.
Yeah. Do you guys like to do like crazier hills or just like smaller stuff?
Yeah, I used to do rain tree a lot. It's like massive. Like,
Yeah, yeah.
like 3 of these, but I gotta get him to be able to slide because that's like how you brake, you know.
Oh, right, sure.
So that's not one you can really do.
Yeah, I have like a cruiser board. I can ride that pretty well, but I just like my skin.
Yeah.
You know, it's nice to have around. Did you guys grow up here?
Yeah, actually.
Okay. Cool.
Same house. Well, actually no.
Wait, are you guys just friends? Or
No, he's my brother.
Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna, like, whatever keepers I get, I'm gonna share them on Instagram. I also make YouTube videos. So I share my photo walks. Like I walk, a lot of times I'll go downtown, but right now I'm not going downtown because it's just kind of insane. I've been just wandering around the neighborhoods and just seeing what people are up to. And so I share those videos on there. But if you guys want to find me, it's just James Red, like my hair, but with 2 Ds.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll have to write that. Yeah, I'll get you right now.
All right. Sweet. I appreciate it.
Like my parents' lifetime, I can't think of anything like the swine flu. You know, they shut down some
Right.
schools, but like this is like, I don't know, it's next level stuff.
Right. Yeah, I think it just hasn't hit so much of the like nothing has hit so much of the world like this since, like, I don't know, the Spanish flu or the Black Plague or something, you know what I mean? The good news is I think the Black Plague was like 75 million people. I don't think we're gonna get there, so that's nice. I think it's bizarre how quickly everything got not normal.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It was like just 3 weeks ago, everybody, we're just all high-fiving each other, having a good time. And then just like that, I mean, it was boom, and nobody knows what to, it's like nobody really knows what to do about it. Like all the doctors even are like, this is too much.
Yeah, I think we're really lucky that this wasn't, you know, like a Spanish flu thing. Because I mean, if this killed more people, I mean, we still wouldn't have a vaccine.
Mm-hmm.
And I feel like it still wouldn't be much better right now. There'd just be like a lot more dead people instead
Right.
of just sick people. So
Right. And I think it was one of the plagues where they invented quarantining. Like they understood, oh, okay, we just need to get everybody away from each other.
Yeah.
I'm glad we don't live, you know, in the 1700s and but like back in the time where they didn't really understand that bacteria was the thing that, like, for example, you know, doctors not too long ago, they wouldn't even wash their hands when they would perform surgeries because they didn't know that was what caused people to get infections.
Yeah.
So I'm glad we're in 2020. That's helpful.
Definitely helpful.
Yeah, I think we've all come together as humanity, and that's really nice.
Yeah, it is.
That's nice. I feel like we haven't seen that in a while. I feel like, especially in America, we haven't faced anything that has caused us to have to come together since 9/11. Really.
We've experienced division we haven't seen since, you know, like the Civil War.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're experiencing, you know, like that unification. that we
Yeah.
haven't seen in a long time.
Hopefully it'll get better real quick.
Yeah.
All right. Well, sweet. Thank you guys. Feel free to message me and that sort of thing. I'll send you whatever keepers I get.
Okay, cool.
All right. Sweet. Have fun. Yeah. Have a good night. Right here. How's it going? That was very exciting. I'm glad I found that opportunity. Okay, that is it for this one. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this neighborhood project. And also, if you have any questions about my process during this video, please feel free to comment below, ask any questions. I'm happy to engage. If you liked this video, if you hit the like button, I would appreciate it. And if you really like this video, you hit the subscribe button. I would also really appreciate that. I hope you have a lovely day. Goodbye.